Which indoor tanning lotion with bronzer is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1: Millennium Tanning Solid Black. First up is the Millennium Tanning Solid Black 100x Dark Tanning Lotion. Priced at $31.95, this lotion really caught my eye with its bold claims of 100x bronzing power. If you want deep and long-lasting tan results, this is worth a serious look. With its silicone bronzer, it promises to give you an ultra-dark tan without the hassle of orange streaks. The intense formula is packed with skin-nourishing vitamins, so you won't just look good, your skin will feel great too. With 31,800 reviews and a solid 4.5-star rating, it's clear that many users are satisfied. Now, some people complained about a slight greasy feel after application. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for a lotion that delivers serious hydration alongside bronzing, I think you might actually find that a benefit. Just be aware if you prefer a matte finish. This is perfect for you if you're serious about tanning and want a product that works hard for your glow. Skip this one if you're looking for a lightweight, quick-absorbing lotion. For the price, it's a solid investment for a deep, rich color. Now, if that slight greasiness bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2: European Gold Flash Black. Next up is the European Gold Flash Black 4000x Indoor Tanning Lotion, priced at just $15.95. I was drawn to this one because of its unique release DHA bronzers, which claim to deepen your tan over hours. If you want to enhance your tanning bed sessions with maximum efficiency, this one is definitely worth a look. The beauty of this lotion lies in its ability to condition and soften your skin while you tan, which means you'll get a radiant, golden bronze finish without feeling dry. The ultra-dark glow matrix works over time, making sure your tan develops evenly and beautifully. Plus, it has a special complex to keep your tattoos vibrant, which is a nice touch for anyone with body art. It's got over 1,600 reviews and holds a strong 4.5-star rating, showing it's quite popular. However, some users noted that it doesn't contain any sunscreen, which is crucial for outdoor tanning. Now, here's the thing, if you're using this strictly indoors, that's not a deal breaker. Just make sure to apply sunscreen if you decide to go out in the sun afterward. This lotion is perfect for you if you want a product that deepens your tan gradually and also nourishes your skin. Skip this one if you need sun protection built into your tanning routine. At this price point, it offers great value for a quality tanning experience. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for a unique blend. Product number 3: Millennium Solid Black Special Reserve. Coming in next is the Millennium Solid Black Special Reserve 200x Tanning Lotion, retailing at $34.95. This caught my attention for its promise of an ultra-rich bronzer and tattoo protection. If you want to amp up your tanning game while keeping your ink vibrant, you should definitely consider this one. It's infused with tattoo and color fade defense technology, so you don't have to worry about your body art losing its luster. The formula is also rich in natural bronzers and offers skin-firming benefits, which is great if you're looking for that extra boost in skin texture as well as color. With 2,700 reviews and a solid 4.5-star average, it's definitely a favorite. On the downside, a few users mentioned it can leave a slight residue. Now here's the thing, if you're someone who doesn't mind giving it a moment to set or prefers a fully hydrated feel, it's really not that big of a deal. This is perfect for you if you want a multifunctional tanning lotion that cares for your tattoos as well. Skip this one if you're looking for something lightweight. It's a bit pricier, but considering the benefits, it might be worth it for you. Now, if the price point of the last product made you hesitate, the next one offers a compelling alternative. Product number 4: European Gold Flash Black 3000x. Next, we have the European Gold Flash Black 3000x Indoor Tanning Lotion, which is priced at $13.90. This caught my eye because it's designed to add extra depth to your tan while also caring for your skin. If you want a salon-grade product at a more affordable price, this one might be just what you're looking for. The released DHA complex in this lotion means your tan will continue to develop even after you leave the tanning bed. Plus, it's packed with nourishing oils like coconut and olive, which help condition your skin and keep your tattoos bold and vibrant. With 1,000 reviews and a 4.5-star rating, it's clear that users appreciate the quality and performance. However, some reviewers mentioned that it might not be potent enough for those looking for extremely dark results. But honestly, if you're new to tanning or prefer a more natural look, this might be the perfect fit. This lotion is ideal for you if you want a nourishing, effective product without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you're aiming for the darkest tan possible right off the bat. Overall, it offers great value for a quality product. Now, if you want something that really stands out with luxurious ingredients, the next is going to impress you. Product number 5, Tan Ass U Beach Black Rum. Finally, we have the Tan Ass U Beach Black Rum Tanning Lotion, priced at $25.95. I was drawn to this one because of its unique combination of coconut water and algae extract. If you want a lotion that nourishes while giving you a deep tan, this is worth checking out. This 400x bronzer promises to deliver a stunning, vacation-worthy tan without the DHA, which is great for those who prefer a different approach. The coconut water base conditions your skin beautifully, while the organic algae and charcoal help nourish and beautify your bronze. Plus, it's vegan and cruelty-free, which is a big win for eco-conscious tanners. With 1,400 reviews and a solid 4.5-star rating, it's clearly a popular choice. On the flip side, some users mention the scent might be too strong for their liking. Here's the thing though, if you enjoy tropical scents, you might actually love the Bahama Breeze fragrance. This is perfect for you if you want a luxurious tanning experience that cares for your skin. Skip this one if you're sensitive to fragrances. Given the ingredients and results, it's definitely a great value for those looking to indulge in their tanning routine. So there you have it, 5 fantastic indoor tanning lotions with bronzer. Whether you're looking for maximum bronzing power, tattoo protection, or skin nourishment, there's something here for everyone. Remember to choose based on your specific needs and enjoy that gorgeous tan.